Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape or something interesting is happening on Jamaican YouTube. More creators are appearing, more communities are being highlighted, and more viewers across the island and even the diaspora are tuning in. But behind many of these changes, one name keeps showing up: Colaz Smith. So the question people are beginning to ask is this: has Colaz Smith changed Jamaica YouTube forever? To understand why this question is being asked, we first have to understand how Colaz Smith rose to prominence. Colaz didn't start out as the biggest name on the platform. Like many creators, he started by simply sharing stories, experiences, and everyday moments. But over time, something different began happening with his content. Instead of focusing only on himself, Colaz started shining the spotlight on ordinary people. Builders, farmers, cooks, you name it. People whose stories were rarely seen online. And suddenly, viewers weren't just watching a YouTube video. They were seeing real Jamaican life, and that authenticity began attracting a growing audience. As Colaz's platform grew, something else started happening. More Jamaican creators began emerging with similar storytelling styles, channels highlighting rural life, community projects, everyday hardworking Jamaicans, small businesses and trades. Names like Pappy Spearfishing, Canta, Ratty, Miss Little Hot Kitchen, Socks, Climber Adventures, and others started gaining attention as well. Now, every creator has their own voice and style. Many viewers began noticing that there seemed to be a movement forming, a network of creators supporting each other and sharing stories from across Jamaica. And for many people watching this unfold, Colaz Smith appeared to be at the center of it. One of the reasons Colaz Smith's influence is often discussed is because of the community impact connected to many of his videos. Across several channels, viewers have seen stories involving helping families improve their homes, their living conditions. For many viewers, these videos are more than entertainment. You also see persons feeding the homeless and giving back. Content that celebrates resilience, hard work, and community spirit. And because of that, viewers feel connected not just to the creator, but to the people whose lives are being changed. But as with anything that grows quickly, there is also discussion and debate. Some viewers believe Colaz Smith has become one of the most influential figures in Jamaican YouTube. They argue that his storytelling style and collaborative approach have inspired many others. Others believe the platform is simply evolving naturally, that Jamaican YouTube would have grown regardless. And they feel that influence should be shared among many creators. Both perspectives highlight something important. Jamaican YouTube is still developing, and movements like this are rarely driven by one person alone. They are usually shaped by many voices, many creators, and many YouTubers. So, where does Jamaican YouTube go from here? The platform continues to grow. New creators are appearing, more stories are being told, and audiences are becoming increasingly interested in authentic Jamaican content. Creators who highlight everyday life, culture, and community are finding that viewers are eager to watch and support. And whether Colaz Smith remains at the center of that movement, or whether the space continues to expand with many voices, one thing is clear. Jamaican YouTube is evolving, and people across the island and around the world are paying attention. So, now we return to the question we started with. Has Colaz Smith changed Jamaican YouTube forever? Some viewers believe he has played a major role in shaping the movement we see today. Others believe the growth of Jamaican creators is something bigger than any one individual. But regardless of where you stand, one thing is certain. Jamaican YouTube is growing, and the stories being told today are reaching more people than ever before. But what do you think? Has Colaz Smith become the most influential YouTuber in Jamaica? Or is this simply the beginning of a much larger creator movement? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy stories about the creators shaping Jamaica's digital landscape, make sure to subscribe to CCN World TV News. Because here, we don't just watch the news, we take it to you and we document every part of it.